Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, creative director at Ansa Architecture and Interiors और आज हम बैंगलोर आए हुए हैं where we wanted to explore the kind of furniture, carved furniture, the art, craft and the heritage that they've passed on from generations to generations. And we are today with Pradhan Kariyappaji and we're going to ask him a lot of questions. Good morning.
Hi, I'm Pradhan.
Hi Pradhanji. Give us a little debrief about your store. It looks so beautiful. What is it called?
It's called A1 Aadhar Decor and Furniture. So I'm the second generation in this business. It's my dad who started this business in 2009
Oh wow.
in Coop, in Karnataka, a place called Coop. So we had a store there, and now it's been 2 years. We moved into Bangalore. We were doing freelancing here, so we thought we'll open a store here.
Wow.
And it's been 2 years now we've opened the store here.
Very nice. Can we just go inside and have a look?
Yes, for sure.
That's an interesting dining piece.
So this also can be converted as a dining table, and also to consume if it
wow.
consumes space, it can be converted into a bench.
Alright, that's nice. It's very nice and convertible piece of furniture. I think ideal for.
Completely made of teak, and it's Hunsur teak.
Oh,
So yeah, when we give lifetime guarantee for products of teak and rose here,
okay. Great. So it's seasoned wood.
all completely seasoned.
And I was just about to say that it's coming right in between that sculpture and you just moved it. Thank you. This is a super amazing piece. Super amazing piece. I mean, I can see the beauty is just what I can feel here. It's all about Mahabharata.
Yes, it's completely about Mahabharata, and this piece is taken 2.5 years of workmanship by 2 carpenters who completely hand carved this.
Wow.
And it's completely hand carved, and it narrates the full story of Mahabharata. For example, everything
Yeah,
from
I
the
s-
beginning to the end.
So, okay, so what I see is Krishna and Arjun.
And this is the last stage of Mahabharata when Krishna takes his Vishwarupa out. So it's a complete piece of complete carving of the whole Mahabharata. It's not only in the front, it's also on the back.
Oh, really? Let's just have a look. Oh, amazing.
So it's a completely. This is a masterpiece which was done.
It's really beautiful. So now that I look at it, I see the story of Mahabharata flowing in this.
Yes.
Beautiful, very beautiful. And this is white cedar.
It's white cedar. It's
Okay.
white cedar. So when we do facial carvings, we use white cedar because it takes the expressions of the face easily and easy to carve.
It's a little soft,
Soft,
so
yes,
it's easier to
easy
carve
to
and it
carve.
doesn't change its
Doesn't
shape.
change shape.
Yes. So let's see what else you have. That's a bar.
Yes, it's a bottom, a bottle-shaped bottom.
Amazing. Can I open it?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have storage space in, and you have the lights falling from inside,
Okay.
and you have 2 drawers on the bottom.
Oh, okay. So probably just tucked up in any corner, available in
Yes.
different sizes.
Different.
Amazing. That's in teak.
And you can customize it to any size also.
Okay. And it's in teak.
It's in teak.
I think I loved how the grains of wood flow here.
Yeah, it's teak. The
Yes.
teak is known for the texture of the
Texture
wood.
and the grains and the
Grains.
color it offers. And these are some side cabinets that you offer. That's again very beautiful.
This is a mirror.
Oh,
So
very beautiful. So maybe at
few places they tell a mirror shouldn't be kept open.
yes.
That's why there's a place called Chettinad in Kerala. That's the design from them. It's called the Chettinad mirror.
So
Yeah.
it's basically when we say that according to Vastu we cannot have mirror on this place. So you
Yes.
have a door to close it
Close
and you still have a
And-
mirror.
And you can also keep it on the wall. It looks like a window.
It just look
Yes.
like a window, no doubt about it. I think what I can see is that the artisans here have carried on the legacy of all the cultural influences that they have seen. When I entered your showroom, I could see that probably it's not just about furniture, it's also about inheritance of
Yes.
culture.
So all our carpenters are from the Vishwarupa family. So it's the generations from them. They have come from the carpentry generation. So all my carpenters are at least 3rd generation, 4th generation people. So it's the family they're carrying
it's
from the carpenter.
yeah, okay.
It's family carpenter. So they have that texture. The work they do is completely different. And they have their skills is completely different. It's learned from the
So the fineness is there in their work. That I could see. Let's just see what else do you offer. So these are a few corner pieces, and this is amazing.
This is a puja mandir.
Oh, that's beautiful. So it can again be customized.
Yes, it can be customized to any size, any other designs. So this was a prototype done and kept here for the store for the
Okay.
people to see.
Okay.
So we customize the size, the design, everything.
Okay. Great. So, and I also see that you have some loose furniture kept here. But
Some sofa sets like this, rattan. There's a trend now which we've actually bought back.
that is typical South Indian
Yes.
thing to have. Yeah. That's a jula.
It's a jula. It's
Okay.
completely, you call it inlay. So in this, it's basically the Mysore Dasara. So the elephants carrying and the procession happening. That's the theme
It's
here.
made in seashells.
No, it's made in wood. So wood has
The inlay.
Inlay is actually wood.
Inlay is wood.
Wood. It's wood.
Okay.
Wood has 365 colors in it. So there are specific people who give us this inlay color wood to inlay it.
Wow, that's beautiful.
This is another skill of people.
Wow. And then I see two different.
This we offer two different things to the customer. So
Okay.
this is the brass finish and this is the SS finish.
Okay.
So we'll give the option to the client to choose what
This
they
looks
want.
more authentic for sure.
Yeah.
Looks more authentic, and I think it will tarnish with time, and it will
yes,
have a beautiful color coming up.
Yes, and this blends with everything. The antique finish, it blends with everything. It's like
How much weight can it carry?
depends. It can carry up to 500 kgs easily.
And what's the height of the jula? Ideal height of the jula from the sitting point to the floor point? That should
It's 28.
28 inches.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And this obviously can come in different lengths.
This-
Supposedly, I
yeah.
have a different height of the ceilings.
Yes, this
Possible.
comes in different heights.
Okay. Okay. Great. And you have more designs of julas to offer.
Yes, we do have.
So in complete wood, or maybe with pillars, or maybe
Pillars with
sculpted.
carving, sculpted. We have beautiful designs of swings,
Okay.
julas.
Great. That's also an amazing chair. It's again handcrafted.
Yes, and it was
It's amazing. I mean, you can sit there and I can sit
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
That's really nice.
it's actually called a couple chair.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yeah.
So it's again handcrafted.
It's-
What is the kind of maintenance that your furniture will need?
So rosewood, like 15 years once, if you can give it a nice repolish, it will get into a new look again,
Okay.
back to the new one.
Great.
And
And do we need?
There's no such maintenance as such you'll have to do.
Okay. So
it's
it's like दादा खरीदे और पोता बरते. मतलब खराब नहीं होगा.
Yeah, it's something like that.
Great.
And yeah, not something it's like that.
And I see some very beautiful hand sculpted wooden pieces. And I mean, this is just a super amazing piece.
Yes.
So again, handcrafted.
Yeah, these are all handcrafted. So all these models are made up of white cedar and few are like glasses and
In wood pieces.
wood pieces and
Okay.
it's called molten glasses.
Oh, okay. So the glass has taken the shape of the wood.
Wood. So
Wow.
we burn the glass and press it on the this one. And
Oh, wow.
take the
So it takes the shape of the wood. Oh, wow, that's amazing. And you just place it on the wood, it becomes like one piece. So it's like marrying two different materials to make an art form. Nice. And if I need to make sculptures in any size, that's possible.
Yes, any
Even-
size. We even sculpture human faces.
That's amazing. So in case I want to make a human face, or I can figure it's
100%
possible.
possible.
I think I've seen very, very beautiful furniture pieces with you, and it's been really an informative session and something that was new to know, new to learn.
Thank you, and it was very nice meeting you as well.
Thank you. Your furniture pieces are not only about art; it's also about sustainability.
So we use all the woods which are actually fallen,
Oh,
and we get it from the government. Rosewood and teakwood, we purchase it from the government. So, which from auctions, we purchase the wood from the government and we use it.
actually, there is not one tree which is being cut to make this. It's only fallen authentic.
And all auction trees from the government.
That's amazing. And I think handcrafting in all cases reduces the pollution to a larger level.
Yeah, 100%. And it's almost we use all handcrafted people who uses their hands for everything. Like machineries are only very less like for planing, and there are few procedures of the wood which should be machine made,
Okay.
and it's 50-50. So yeah, it's almost we reduce machine
Wow.
work.
That's a very nice thought actually, because it not just offers food on the table to the artisans, but also keeps the inheritance of the carvings and the kind of artwork that they have carried from generations to generation. It just keeps it alive.
Yes.
That's a really beautiful thought. And on that note, I think I'd like to thank you so much for being with us today. And if you need to source any carved furniture, the sculptures, art pieces, or just beautiful mandirs, I'll leave his contact details in the description box and you can get in touch with him. Thank you so much for being with us today. And for any architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. See you next week. Bye.